Hello and welcome to Kwixand's solution video on how to use Business Central Lookup in Microsoft Teams. Today I'll show you how to interact with Business Central data in Teams. With this app you can look up contacts, view and update details, post a link from a Business Central record into Teams directly. To enable this functionality you must add the Business Central app from within Teams. This is available from within the app library under all apps. Once added, we can click the open link to start using it. So we'll go to app here. We can search for Business Central, and this is the app. We'll click to open, and by clicking add, now it's ready to try. With the Business Central app for Teams, you can copy a link from any Business Central record like a customer or sales order and paste the link into a Teams conversation. The app connects Microsoft Teams to your business data in Business Central. It then expands the link into a compact interactive card that displays information about the record. Once in the conversation, you and co-workers can view more details about the record, edit the data, and take action without leaving Teams. So I will go to a Business Central and I can navigate to an item card, and on the top you can click copy the link, and once the link is copied to your clipboard you can go back to the conversation in your Teams and paste the link. So here I will open a conversation with my colleague and I will paste the link over here, and as you can see the record and some information are in here, and you can interact with the record directly within the Teams. Click the details and you can see that the page opens and you can directly interact with the record in Business Central without even leaving the Teams itself. And that's it. You know how to use Business Central now. The lookup feature in Microsoft Teams to quickly search for any records such as contacts, items, and customers. If you'd like to learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos on Dynamics 365 Business Central. You can also visit us at kwixand.com for more resources and articles around Business Central.